This video is a direct and clear comparison between Canada, USA, and the UK in terms of childbearing. I want you to watch it to the end and share it with as many persons as possible. So let's start with Canada. Canada operates a public healthcare system which is funded by taxpayer money, which means if you are a Canadian citizen, permanent resident, worker, refugee, and refugee claimant, you are generally covered for free healthcare. However, for international students, if you are studying in British Columbia, Alberta, Saskatchewan, Newfoundland and Labrador, and Nova Scotia, you are still covered by the province for free healthcare. However, if you are a visitor, you are not covered by government healthcare at all. It's either you have private insurance or you have to pay out of pocket. Now, the general cost for giving birth in Canada, if you are uninsured, can range from about $8,000 to as much as $15,000 for normal delivery. But if you have C-section, be expected to pay up to $25,000. In terms of citizenship by birth, a child born in Canada is automatically a Canadian citizen, irrespective of the immigration status of the parents. However, the only persons that are excluded are diplomats. Now, let's talk about the United States. Generally, the United States does not provide free healthcare to anyone, whether you are a citizen, permanent resident, worker, student, or visitor, which means your entire healthcare is based on insurance, which you can either obtain from your employer or from your institution if you are a student, or you can get Medicaid for low income and other displaced persons, or you pay out of pocket. Now, for childbirth costs, the United States runs the highest amount in the world, with cost for normal delivery going up to $20,000 and C-section can go up to $35,000. And in terms of citizenship by birth, any child born in the United States is automatically a US citizen, irrespective of the immigration status of the parents. The only persons that citizenship by birth does not apply to are children of foreign diplomats born in the United States. Now let's talk about the United Kingdom. In the United Kingdom, healthcare coverage is free for citizens and permanent residents of the UK. However, for international students and workers, you can also access the NHS for free as much as you are making contributions to the healthcare surcharge. For childbirth costs in the UK, it can run up to $15,000 for regular delivery and up to $25,000 for C-section. Now, for citizenship by birth, the UK does not operate that policy, which means any child born in the United Kingdom would automatically become a UK citizen only if one of the parents is either a UK citizen or a UK permanent resident. So if your child is born in the UK and none of the parents have that status, automatically that child will not be a UK citizen. However, that child is able to register for UK citizenship if they have maintained up to 10 years of continual residency in the UK. If you have any questions, please indicate in the comment section.